Model 2, here we go. We'll see how this one comes out. This one, you already know what it is. One of these kind of weird boxes. So, unbeknownst to me, I bought this off eBay. This is a current production model. And lo and behold, the box says diecast model wholesale. Well, if we know anything, I know who diecast model wholesale is. So, hopefully this one turns out a little bit better than the United we just did. But we'll see. This one I've also seen a couple issues with, but I decided to take the risk anyway because it's going with another Emirates model, which is on its way right now, today. So, here we go. I didn't plan on starting an Emirates collection, but I want an A380. So I figured, and they're the flagship carrier, the A380. So I'm like, well, if I'm gonna have an Emirates A380, I might as well have an Emirates 777-300ER, the other flagship airplane, with it. So this is what release is this? I don't know. Well protected at least. Oh yeah, there she is. What did I say on my last 777-300 unboxing? There's nothing like unboxing 777s. They're just so massive. It's fantastic. So, my very first Emirates unboxing. Let me show you something else real quick, too. G2UAE1079. Like I said, this is, I'm pretty sure, a current production model. Oh wait, what's this? Kind of rare Emirates service vehicles. So, you can see where this is going. You guys know about my display board, so yeah. Let's see what Emirates looks like. Nice and big. Oh, wow. Wow. That is a 777. This is the old livery. Now considered the old livery. They have a new livery one too, but I didn't really want that one just yet because I'm getting an old livery A380. So I kind of just wanted to match it. So it's the classic livery. Love me a 777. Absolutely love it. So, as always, we have our 777 stand, which is the bigger of the stands. Looks good. Here's our gear. standard 777 gear. Seen that plenty of times before, with the extra piston to aid the landing gear with takeoff landing. Or the pitch of the airplane, I should say. So, without further ado, let's see what we got. All antennas look intact and good. That's a positive sign, considering the United we just unboxed. The engine paint looks good. On initial inspection, I'm really not seeing any major imperfections with this model, which is really good news. So, oh yeah. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Giant 777-300. Beautiful gold writing. GE90-115Bs. Finish on this model is actually pretty darn good. So in the pictures and reviews I've seen of this model, the engine cowlings had some problems, and I know about that. And these ones look pretty good actually. There's some gap there that you can see, but this is not bad. This is not bad at all. Gorgeous, and those engines do spin. Oh, look at that. A little bit different nose shape than the United one. Very interesting. That is beautiful though. Look at this beauty. Just wow. Absolutely wow. Look at my hand and how big this model is. It's just fantastic. I'm happy. I'm very happy with it. A little bit of imperfection in the paint there. But what do you expect? All right, let's look at the gear. Just massive. All right, we got the nose gear, which is white. Got the little lights in there. Tire tread. Looks good. Got one of our bogies. Get those wheels straightened out. Looks good. Up to quality. as quality as it can be. Cool. Let's get the model. Feel the grease from the newness. There she is with the gear. Absolutely fantastic. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, let's set her down, take a look around her. Here she is in all her glory. In my opinion, this model is up to Gemini quality standard, as how new the model is, the new release. This, I could buy another one and it's going to be the same issues. So, it is so beautiful and giant. Absolutely gorgeous model. I love it. Here she is on the stand. Gorgeous as gorgeous can be. All right, so I'm not going to compare this one to the other models right now because I have, like I said multiple times, another special Emirates one coming. So I want to compare that, but I just want to say I absolutely adore this. Love it. It's amazing. I adore all my models. I really do. So we're going to set that over there for now. That's the piece to the United plane. But hope you enjoyed. I'll get you in the next one, and when we see the next video, you'll see the comparison between this and the other models. So, all right, hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace.